Hey, social media savages, it's Melanie here. I'm so glad you clicked the link so you could find out how to make mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a really simple thing to make, but the great thing about it is that it's the base for so many dressings and spreads and other things that we use in the household. So making mayonnaise was not just about making mayonnaise for me. It was about making mayonnaise and salad dressing and spreads and dips and other flavor things that I could use on in my dishes so that I could make my cooking pop. So how do we make mayonnaise? We use eggs, lemon juice, dry mustard, kosher salt, and canola oil. Basically, you put all the ingredients into the blender with the exception of the oil and blend on low, increasing to 3/4 of full speed of the blender. Meanwhile, pouring in the oil slowly through the blender top cap, taking 2 to 3 minutes to dispense the entire amount of oil into the blender. Keep blending to work in all the oil. Refrigerate it in a clean container and use it on your sandwiches and in your salads. It's delicious. That recipe gives you a mayonnaise that's very much like the well-known brand of sandwich spread, this little tangy, zippy one. But you can basically swap out any of the ingredients in the mayonnaise for different bases, acids, seasonings, and oils, and create your own spreads and dressings, dips, and drizzles for different dishes that you're having in your house. And for those of you that understand that it's about more than mayonnaise, that life is kind of like that mayonnaise, that if you had the right tools and the right ingredients, that you could pretty much create anything that you wanted, anything that you set your heart to, anything that you set your mind to, then please click the link. Let's get connected, because there's other things I can teach you about starting a business online, or creating for yourself some savings for your future, or maybe even creating a residual line of income for yourself so that you can do more of the things that you want to do with your life and spend less time at work. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you're all making mayonnaise now. Have a great day. See you soon.